Hey guys, it's me Ubaid, and today I will show you how you can build your own AI voice agent for your business or anything you want that can answer your phone calls or your customer phone calls in real time. And we will do it from without paying any third party platform like Retell or VAPI or Blend or anything, right? So this will be like the actual power you will see here. Okay, so this is the number I have configured my AI voice agent to listen for, and let's call it.
Hello, and thank you for calling. Welcome to Nature's Warehouse. This is Betty. How can I assist you today?
Actually, I'm here to order something.
Great. Have you ordered with us before?
Nah, actually, I am a new customer.
Wonderful. I'd be happy to help you place your first order. To get started, can I have your first name, and could you also spell it for me?
Yeah, I will actually tell you the name and all, but can you just book a meeting for with someone with like your supervisor or something?
I'm unable to book a meeting directly, but I can transfer your call to a human representative who can assist you further. Let me do that for you
Okay,
now.
nice. You are a good AI. Bye bye. Okay, so you said it, right? There will be like the transfer call ability also, like the human in the loop, right? So I remember this first concept which came in like when these LLM systems start to get attraction is human in the loop, right? The Hitler, right? Okay, so yes, that is also you can get configure for. And now by the way, these numbers will be just offline after I upload the video because I don't want to answer every call. Okay, nice. So this was the AI agent working for us 24/7. He don't want vacations. He don't want to do some rest. He can just take your calls at any time of the day, right? Okay, Rush, we are recording. Nice. And if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to the email or the WhatsApp and we can build things together. Okay, now I will show you how I have done this setup. So to explain the setup, what I will be doing is I will write the components and I will arrange them, and then I will take you the code actually and the deployment of the agent also, so that you can see like how it is implemented in the actual real world, right? Rather than just saying you like you do this and you get the agent, and even if you get the agent you don't know how all of this works. Now after that, if you have to do like one small change, you will not be able to do that, right? So it's better to get the whole architecture in your head, in your brain, and then go for building it, right? Okay, so here what we have. uh so what we know, let's start with that. There will be a user, okay, and it will the user will make call, right? Okay, so and there will be uh user will call to, let's say user is here, and by the way, for the user I think I can take this one, and this is not a actor, this is, how do I change, anyways, just this is not actor, this is user, okay. So and he will make call. So here it will be phone number, any phone number you want, to answer your calls. Now this user will dial in from the call. By the way, this system I was using, it was go high level GHL, because I can't do like direct phone calls from my phone. But if you are in, whatever your country, and if you have international calling also, you can do the phone call from your phone. Okay, so the phone number will be there. This thing I know, and every one of you also know. If you are trying to build something like this, there will be a person, and he will have a phone number. Let's say a person calling to a restaurant, right, to order some food. Now, to build the system, I will now write the components. First component is this one, which is Twilio. Now, this phone number will be configured with the Twilio. Okay, just keep it in your head, and we will see a practical explanation also. And I will just copy paste, and this Twilio will be providing us a server, but it has to live somewhere on the internet so that it can be available like 24/7. For that, we will use Google Cloud Platform, right? So GCP, in short, we call it as GCP, same like AWS, not same, but uh, Amazon provide you AWS, Google provide you GCP. Now this GCP will say to Twilio, you can live in my house and be available 24/7 for whatever the person is calling, right? And yeah, let me think of anything else. Twilio, phone number, and the main thing, the brain, right? This Twilio will be answered by AI, right? This is what we want to use. So I will just copy paste, and I will just use AI. Now this AI can be OpenAI, this can be Gemini, this can be Cloud, right? Or any other. Let's say the Grok is also hot nowadays. Now this can be that also. So now we know the whole architecture, and we can do like the arrows also. I will not do that. uh, you should be able to like get the whole point. Let me just do a zoom in. uh, okay, so actor will make a phone call. This phone number will be connected to Twilio. The Twilio will reside on the Google Cloud, and Twilio will use AI to answer your call. Okay, I think that's clear. Now let's see the practical implementation, how it is actually done. By the way, all the source code I will show you, that will be in available in the description. You have to basically find the link and proceed with the whatever the procedure is. Okay, so yeah, here is my Google Cloud. You just go to Google Cloud Console, and you will see the same type of window. You have to search for or go for here Cloud Run. If you are seeing this for first time, obviously there will be nothing. For me, it has quite bunch of services which are running for other clients, but I am interested in this Twilio agent, so I will just show you this one. Now this thing is what is I have mentioned here, these three blocks. So Twilio, it is Twilio, right? And I will show you the code also. Google Cloud, it is in the Google Cloud. Okay, now AI, this service, Cloud Run service, is calling AI, not the calling, the phone number calling. It's not like that, it is using AI. Okay, now let me just take you to the code. Okay, so I will go here, and freelance client, just say Joe, and here I will show you this one. Okay, let's open the whole folder. Okay, and yes, here. So what it is a fast API, and it is using the UV to run your app. Just simple, the architecture thing is this. Now in this fast API, basically you can use any AI you want, right? So for now what I am using is the OpenAI, right? The real-time API. But there can be many other options, like the if you want to use manual STT, TTS and LLM, there can be many, right? You search your OpenAI key, and if you are using Gemini, you use their key. Okay, nice. So what we understand now, this is a fast API which is using any type of LLM or AI to answer your calls, and it is running through the UVcorn, this one, right? So now we have to deploy it to our Google Cloud. What we will do is containerize or dockerize this whole fast API, and we will run it to 8080 port using this UVcorn, right? So in the main, I have this main py. In there I have keys, so I'm not showing that. But in the main app, I want to host it to the port 8080 in my cloud run, and the same thing is happening here. So now this is my Twilio uh, webhook link, which I can use in my Twilio number. So I will not show you the Twilio console for now, because there are like many keys and all of that. But what you have to do, you just purchase a phone number in Twilio, and then put this link of the cloud run of the Google Cloud Run in your Twilio phone number webhook URL, and you will get connected to your AI agent. I hope if you understand the architecture, only this diagram, the implementation will be like very simple for you. But if you jump in into implementation first and then create the architecture, you will like may be able to develop it, but like with a messed up system. And after that, if you make some changes, it will be like very hard. But if you have a clean diagram of your architecture, you can just uh, like input any other component and place it there, and then change something in your code. I always follow this approach. Don't know about you, but yeah, you can always reach out to the email or the WhatsApp. I am always happy to listen your use cases, and I actually very enjoy it. Okay. So yeah. Okay. I think you will like the video, and you will learn something unique and worthy for your time. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video, by the way. Thank you.